Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Welcome to my winter decor home tour video. And January is all about refresh for me and starting anew. And so for my winter decor in my living room, I am going to change out my curtains. And I got these curtains from Wayfair, and they're just basically a winter white, sort of an off-white panel that will just cover the entire window, and it has tie backs, and it's just a kind of a cotton curtain. And I have 4 windows in here, so I picked up 4 of these, and it was very inexpensive. It was like $89 for all 4. So that's not bad to do a refresh in your home. Pick a room, a redo. For me, it's all about winter white this year. And so I have added white blankets, white pillows. I've added in some off-white and some winter white. You can see behind me my mantle, which I kept primarily the same as it was for my Christmas decor, except I took out the real Christmassy things and I added a winter print. I'll show you all of that up close as we progress with the video. But I'm going to put up my curtains, and I have to iron them. I tend to want to actually physically iron curtains rather than steam them. It takes a little bit longer, but they come out better in my opinion, and I will be using some spray starch just to give them a crisp look. Now the curtains that I have here now, they're kind of country, primitive looking. I want to change that out. I pretty much am done in this living room other than these curtains. So what I'm going to do is take you through my winter decor home tour. I will take you to my coffee bar, to my outer area dining room, and this living room. So if you want to see my winter decor home tour, then just keep on watching. So first things first, I'm going to take down the old curtain, and I'm going to go window by window because I want to have that instant gratification of seeing what the new curtain looks like. So I'm going to iron one of the set of panels, and then we'll get them up on the window. And they're just super easy, you know, there's nothing to installing these panels. I just put it into the top opening there, and it leaves a little bit on the top between where you put the rod in, and that's what makes that ruffle on top. And then I just put the tie backs, and I make sure that they're even, take a step back, make sure I like how they look. And one window is done. I love how they come out, so let me show you the entire room. I just absolutely love how they came out. It gives the room such a soft look, and I love the white curtains against the cream color walls, and I just really love how it came out. So taking a step back a little bit, I wanted to just share with you, I did shop the after Christmas sales at Michael's, and I also went to Home Depot, and you can get some beautiful winter white accessories left over from Christmas. I love these cable knit sweater candles, these cookie press things for next year. They were like 70% off, and you can't go wrong. So I did get to pick up quite a few things to use in my winter decor for not very expensive at all. I can cut these silver balls off this greenery and use the greenery with the pine cones, very wintry. I love this Hello Winter sign. And I also got some potpourri from Home Depot that was on sale, and another wintry sign from Michael's. And I'm going to use this winter potpourri and these little brooms that smell like apple and cedar balsam. So very good. So I had given you a sneak peek of this little sitting area that I created after I took down my Christmas tree and did my after Christmas cleanup. And I just love how cozy it is over here. I've really been using this area to sit and just relax and have a cup of tea, or even talking on the phone, just sitting over there. And it's just such a cozy area. And I have the candles that I picked up in the after Christmas sales, and the little tray on the end table just makes it look so cozy and so wintry, and I can sip my tea and just relax. And I dressed up this area for winter by changing out what was inside the lantern. I took out the berries and added a candlestick with some wreaths that have pine cones and a little mercury glass and LED candle. It looks so pretty in there. I added some pine cones. Those are actually candles that I got from Michael's. And here's a Homeworks candle from Harry Slatkin from last year, but it smells really, really good, and it's very wintry with the white birch on it. These pine cones are actually candles. I got those 70% off at Michael's in the after Christmas sale. It just has a really nice winter vibe. So now I'm just going to work on my coffee bar. I'm just going to take everything off of this tiered tray and get the area spruced up and make it more efficient for the coffee bar use during the winter time. So I'm just gonna speed this up and let you see how it all comes out. Joey. Hi, little boy. And I spruced up this little bench by painting it with some gray chalk paint, which is so easy. You don't have to do anything to prep. You just wipe off the dust and paint it with 2 coats, and this is how it came out. I absolutely love it. I think it looks beautiful. It looks like a new piece of furniture, and my winter pillows look absolutely beautiful on this. Looks like a new piece of furniture for me. It's absolutely gorgeous. Well, that's going to do it for my winter home decor video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you take care and stay warm and cozy. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.